right, guys, let's take a ride through Kingston. Enjoy. Okay, we're currently in East Kingston now, heading towards the coast. I got you guys mounted in my windshield mount. Hopefully that's a better view away from the hood and the windshield wiper. So I kind of got you right in line with the rear view mirror on the truck. So yeah, we're sitting in a 2019 Dodge Ram. I know I did a quick video on it, and I still need to do a kind of like an update video because I've had it for a little while now. I'll tell you one thing about it. It's extremely comfortable. It does not ride like a pickup truck. It's a half ton, so that should be expected. But you know, all in all, for the amount of miles I have on it, I haven't run into too many problems. I had a little issue with the starter, but it was a loose lug, I should say a loose bolt on the lug for the starter, which kind of drove me a little crazy for 2 days when I was trying to figure it out. Before I ripped the starter out, I was like, maybe I'll try turning on the, see if I can get a quarter turn or a half turn out of the bolt on the starter for the main lug that has the positive cable to it. Sure than shit, as soon as I put the 13 millimeter socket on it with a stubby wrench, I got, I'm not gonna say an eighth, maybe a quarter of a turn, more like an eighth of a turn out of it. And I went to go hit the button to start it because it's got push start button, no key. She fired right up, and I have had no, knock on wood, I've had no problem since. Right over here, we're gonna cross the railroad tracks, which are still being used for freight, and the Amtrak goes across these tracks right here. So let me know in the comments below if you guys rather have music or kind of like me commentating kind of where we're at. This is an intersection of 107 and 108. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to hear the commentary, because I can talk while we're driving, or shut my big fat mouth and you guys can listen to music. Let me know in the comments below. I posted a video yesterday. I'm gonna try doing a few of these videos. I enjoy them on YouTube. It's not really like, what do they call that shit? Where the people are flipping pages and I don't know, ASMR, I believe that's what it's called. I'm not really into that, but I watch a few YouTubers that go like, I don't know, I like these kind of videos because you get to see different parts of the country and you get to experience other things like the snow on the ground here. There's some people that don't even see snow, so I kind of enjoy these type of videos. But let me know if you guys like the commentary or you'd rather listen to music. I'd really like your feedback on these types of videos, because if you guys like this stuff, this is easy to make. It don't cost me much except gas, which currently, December 2022, gas in my part of the country is $3.26 a gallon. Home heating oil, just filled up my oil tank yesterday. The wife and I got a bill. I think it was like three-quarters of a tank. So we got about a quarter tank of oil. That was, I don't know, $350. So that's great. You know, things are good. Unbelievable. Hope things calm down a little bit. And that field on the right of you is a blueberry field. They sell blackberries, blueberries. Very cool. This is, what intersection was that? That's another 107 and 108, because you can take a left, head towards Newton, or Plastow back behind me. And right now we're heading towards Seabrook. And right there on the right-hand side, you can kind of see it right across the street from the power lines. That pole right there, right in the center of your screen right now, is actually a pole for the Seabrook power plant. God forbid something happens in that power plant, that will go off in an emergency, kind of like they put those broadcasts across the television when you're watching TV, you know, like a emergency broadcast network, where they'll cut into any program. Well, that siren will come on, and it's a very distinct siren, and that's for any immediate, I think it's a surrounding like circumference in relative to the power plant, and that'll kick on. There's a bunch of them around different roads heading in. Left of me right here, that's Appa Hill Country Club. It's a golf course on the left-hand side of your screen. And just coming up a hill. I think we're crossing into Kensington right now. Yep, Kensington. We're in Kensington right now. Like I said, I'll stop talking for a minute and go back to a little bit of just peaceful driving. Okay. All right, guys, as you got my air fresheners dangling in the view of the camera, because I really don't want to move the camera where it's at. It's actually kind of in a good little spot, so even if you hit a bounce, she ain't gonna bounce around and make the screen all jiggly and shaky. I really appreciate some feedback on these types of, 5-6 minute videos. I like them. I'm gonna title them basically the road we're on or the town we're in. So if anybody explores the channel or stumbles upon them on YouTube, they can know what the hell they're watching. And again, appreciate the feedback. If you guys like the commentary, I'm a talker. I'm talking to a camera and nobody's in the truck with me. So, that takes a lot of effort, to be honest with you, just talking to a camera, because you kind of seem like crazy, to be honest with you. If you really think about it, you imagine like you go into Walmart. I got an earpiece in, and if you go into Walmart and you just start talking to yourself in an aisle, look how many looks you get. Keep your phone in your pocket and just use your AirPods or whatever, a headset. Like, you can't even tell this thing's in my ear. I've walked down aisles. I've been in Home Depot. I'll be talking to the fucking wood. So you look a little strange, but I don't know. Some people can do it, some people can't, and a lot of people venture down this YouTube YouTube channel, and it's difficult to talk in front of a camera with nobody there to give you anything to feed off of. Going live, you can feed off of comments and shit like that, but I like talking, so I'll probably make a handful of more of these videos. If they get views, cool. I'm probably going to commentate because I enjoy watching. I'll do a little half and half. I enjoy watching this, and the commentary is nice too, so you can get relative to where you are and what you're looking at driving. I watch guys in like Colorado, and I don't know, it's kind of cool. Stumble upon things. I've been doing YouTube since 2012. I have not made a significant leaps and bounds in that time. I remember back when you could do the 1,000 subscribers and 100,000 watch hours. That was a big push for me back when I started doing this, and I went away from a lot of that stuff I was doing to get to that. If you guys have been watching my channel for any long time, I used to do scratch tickets. I come to the conclusion with that. I never really fully said why I was changing the channel. I'll break it down here in this video, or maybe I'll do it in the next video. I'm gonna do that in the next video. All right, guys, till next time, give me some feedback on this, and I'm gonna make a video explaining why I did change my channel name. And like I said, I never did, so stay tuned to the next video. Make sure you hit the bell and the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, it is what it is. I think 98% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. But if you want to, cool. If you don't, it is what it is. I'm not going to make anyone do anything. It's free. But the thumbs up help the channel out, and the notifications bell if you guys do subscribe. If you don't, is what it is. All right, guys. Peace.